Guess what today's project is? Yep, new motor time. Welcome back, guys. This is Cody with Wranglerstar. If you guys are joining us for the first time, today's project we're going to be replacing a motor on this airboy compressor. If you missed the previous video, we tried to get the old motor going, replace the capacitor, and that didn't work out so well. So we've got a brand new USA-made Baldor motor, my favorite motors. We're going to slap this thing on and see if it doesn't fire up. First thing we need to do here is disconnect the electrical. We'll take off these 4 bolts that hold the motor to the tank frame. We'll put this up on the bench and take the pulley off, put it on the new motor. These motors are pretty easy to hook up. Don't worry about the little minor electrical. They'll usually have the wiring diagram right on them there, and they'll show one way how to wire it to rotate this way and this way to rotate the other way. Depending on the configuration and how it's put, it might need to operate the different ways. Now it's time to take the pulley off. You do not want to strip these set screws in here, so make sure you have a really good quality Allen wrench and make sure that it fits right, and try it, and if it doesn't seem to want to go, then put some heat on it. If the Allen wrench, if you're getting too much flex from it, see, it's so long when you try to twist it, you just get a lot of, it just flexes down the shaft so much. These are a lot better option. Sure, hope this doesn't strip out. It'll mean another trip to town. Oh, we got it. Praise God for that. God cares about the little things. Don't let anyone tell you different. I could give you 1,000 examples of little things that He has helped me with. One example that's so good in the Bible, the story about, those of you guys who have read the Bible or read the Bible know the story about the little girl that was sick, and Jesus raised her from sick and died, and Jesus raised her from the dead. And He took her hand and said, "Little girl, arise." And the crowd was all in an uproar, and no one had seen anything like that. The thing that really strikes me on that story is the first thing what the Lord said. He said, "Give her something to eat." He didn't get caught up in the moment. He didn't get swept away by the fury and the frenzy of the crowd. His concern was for her physical needs, and that is such a testimony to me. If He cared for her, that she got something to eat and she was fed. He cares for us too. We have a shaft that's got a groove cut in it, and this is called a key. And that slides in there, and that's what prevents the pulley from sliding on the wheel. I've got it hot enough, I should be able to pull the key out. And this will help me to get that pulley off. So here's where snap-on tools or quality tools pay for themselves. This is actually not the best puller for this. It's a little bit too small. I just don't have any pullers to work on stuff this big. Good. On the new motor, at a manageable temperature. Line it up with the pulley on the compressor. So we'll just kind of leave it at that. I'm going to take off this ridiculous safety cage here. All it does is rattle and make a bunch of racket. My brain is my safety cage. It's pretty straightforward from here. Once you just kind of sight down here, sight down the pulley, just line them up, make sure everything's in alignment before you tighten those set screws, and then we'll double check everything, pull tension on those, and then we'll tighten up the motor and set the set screws, and we should be ready to go. Bet you guys will be glad when this is over. Wiring up these guys together. You know, as we've talked about earlier with the 240 power, all it is just two separate 120 circuits, one here and one here. That's what we're looking for. So that's it. Everything works good. I had to reverse the, I guess you call it the polarity on the engine, on the motor, because it was running the wrong way, but no problem, and pumped up and as good as new. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I have something coming up. I've got a really slick system that I found to run airlines for your shop. It's really quick and easy, and I think it's really cost effective for what you get. So I'm looking forward to getting started with that, and I'm going to get going on that right now. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time.